All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Sorry. Unfortunately, a car was in front of me. Here we go. All right, here we go. Wow, look at these views behind me. So what do you guys think about that video? I was very surprised by the Ram. Normally, my Ram did what the Ford does at the beginning. There was like a dead space. And when I hit it, it's like the Ford had some struggling going on. And then as soon as it hit boost, and I was surprised too because that V8 design typically does give it that power it needs. But man, for some reason, it's like there was no power as soon as I hit it. But up until about 36 miles an hour, the Ram was ahead. And then all of a sudden, that Ford just came and smoked it. It was probably, what, 10 miles an hour, I think it was. It was crazy. If you have a Ford, do not leave your truck in eco mode. If a Ram guy comes up beside you, if they saw this video, they know you're in eco mode, they're going to beat you up until about 36. They're going to hit the brakes, and then they're going to say, hey, I beat you. So it was pretty funny, but nevertheless, that was a pretty cool race. I'm going to be pretty much posting the rest of the footage of the Ford this week, so stay tuned. I've been lazy. We've been enjoying this life of just full-time RVing. Didn't want to make this video too long, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys really soon.